Alright, good morning guys. This is part 2 of our series going to Seattle, Washington, McChord Air Force Base, December 3rd, Wednesday, day 3 ng ating paglalakbay papuntang Tacoma, Washington. Dito tayo nag-stay sa Spring Hill Suites by Marriott. So we are ready to go load up. Let's check everything. This is the truck. Safety check first, always. Make sure everything's still good. Locked into place. Tie down tight. Today, meron tayong kasama, parents ni, or mother ni Ashley and her aunt. So, may kasama na tayo mag-drive, but they got in last night, mga after midnight na, so they're still tired. They flew all the way from Hawaii, just like me. I flew all the way from Hawaii on Friday, but they flew last night, so they're still tired. They're probably gonna help us with the drive from Sacramento, no, from California or Santa Clarita, California to Sacramento. Ngayon nasa Phoenix kami. Another 6-hour drive to Santa Clarita. Nakalimutan ko na, but it's outside Los Angeles. So then we're gonna stay overnight there again. Okay, check in na lang ako sa inyo pag nasa stop na kami. Peace! Morning guys, nandito pa rin kami sa Phoenix. Nagpag-gasap tsaka nagpa-weigh ng vehicles para alam yung weight, fully loaded. Pero tingnan nyo naman itong mga truck na to. Grabe. These people are skilled drivers. They're the look at that. Galing nila mag-park, ha? Laki-laki ng mga sasakyan nila. They drive monster truck. All decked out. Diyan sila natutulog, ha? So they sleep in their car or truck. They don't go into the hotel. Ours guys, time check 9 a.m. sa Phoenix. Nandito pa rin kami sa Phoenix. Pagkatapos lang na yung mag-gas up, pa-weigh in na rin kami. Kaya kumukuha lang ng coffee sila Ashley and her mom and auntie. So we're just waiting on them. It's gonna be another 6-hour drive from here to around Los Angeles area, I-10. Man, I tell you, these truck drivers, so much respect for them. These guys are the most skilled people driving this big ass trucks. Man, it's crazy. So these are the lifeblood of the U.S. economy. They're the one that makes the economy in the U.S. delivering goods everywhere, from coast to coast, from north to south, south to north, east to west, everywhere in America. Man, so much respect for these people. So much respect. They're skilled drivers. Look at that. They drive long hours. I mean, yung hours ko na nagda-drive, only 6 hours. But this guy probably drive 12 hours at a time. They pulled into locations like this. and they spend the night inside their truck. They take a shower sa gasoline station. You know, they have shower there, they have laundry there, everything. They have TV, they have lounge area, so it's good, you know. There's so much respect for all the truck drivers, all the drivers. Alright, guys, we're here sa California. We're gonna eat sa Quesadilla Tacos, Mexican food. Ito yan ang ano natin. Si Carlos nagdadrive niyan, ako nagdadrive niyan. Kuha muna namin si Arlo. Actually, my auntie is here. So this is California state line between Arizona and California. So another 230 miles to our destination, to our hotel. Carlo, down ka muna. I'm back. Look at this. The trailer. The truck. Carlos truck. We made it. I think 6:30. Oh, 5 o'clock. 5 in the evening. Dito sa Santa Clarita, California. Oh my God. That's a long drive. Non-stop, 4 hours. Diniretso ko from the border of Arizona and California. 4-hour drive straight. Ang sakit ng likod ko. Oh my God. So, respect sa mga drivers, truck drivers. Holy cow. You guys go through a lot. I have a bad back. Oh my goodness. Pero it's here. Wednesday, so we got Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 3 more driving days. From here to somewhere in Sacramento, from Sacramento to somewhere in Grants Pass, Oregon, and then from there all the way to Tacoma, Washington, Joint Base Pearl Harbor, Hickam. No, sorry, at Joint Base. Doon ako naka-station before. So Joint Base Lewis McChord. Alright guys, this is it. Good morning from Santa Clarita, California. Day 4 ng trip namin, December 4, 8 o'clock in the morning. We already ate breakfast, so ngayon we're loading up again to hit the road. Another 6-hour drive from here to Sacramento. So say good morning, Arlo. Almost there. We are 2/3 or halfway. By the time we reach Sacramento, they'll be 2/3 na ng trip namin. Still a long way to go. We went from Del Rio, Texas to El Paso, Texas to Phoenix, Arizona. Now we're here at Santa Clarita, California, right outside of Los Angeles. So let's do our checks. This thing is still locked. Good to go. Tie it down. No, I don't have a room key. Tie down tight. Alright. Check in ako sa inyo pag nasa stop kami. rest area, or maybe when we get to Sacramento. Peace! Okay guys, nandito pa rin kami sa hotel. So I try to make the U-turn right here para makalabas kami. See, there's a designed U-turn for vehicles like malaking truck with the towing. Unfortunately, merong mga pasaway na nagpa-park sa no parking. So, hindi ko ma-make yung U-turn kasi nandiyan yung mga sasakyan. So, as a result, we're stuck. Kailangan namin ng small vehicle para pati na lang bumili ng tow hitch ball si Carlos. So, we're gonna hook it up to his car, straighten this out, and then hook it up again. Yep. There's the trailer, there's the truck. So hook up namin yung car ni Carlos, straighten this out, hook it up again, then we'll go. See, sayang, nakalis na sana kami kanina pa, pero itong mga sasakyan dito nasa no parking area, but they park there. Alright guys, check-in tayo sa In-N-Out Burger. Kakain lang namin. It's about 1:30 right now. 3 hours pa kami to Sacramento. So nagpark ako dito. Kita nyo, ang hirap maghanap ng parking pagka laki ng truck. So dumaan kami sa Mountain Pass from LA. Oh my god, so hard, so scary, but I wish na video ako because it's a pretty sight. So anyways, I'll check in pagdating namin sa Sacramento pag naka-check in na. Peace, safe driving. Alright guys, update, nandito na naman ako. Nandito na naman ako sa Courtyard Marriott. Hey guys, so update ko kayo. Nabusan ako ng storage sa phone, so I have to delete. Nandito na kami sa hotel Sacramento. Oh look, si Andrew gusto maglaro. So that's the fourth leg. 2 more legs left from Sacramento to Oregon to Washington. So update ko na lang kayo bukas bago kami umalis. At least we are 2/3 done. 2/3 done. 2 more days. Peace. Good morning guys. Ano na ngayon? Friday, day 5 of our trip. Papunta ng Joint Base Lewis McChord. Nandito kami sa Sacramento. Ang next stop namin sa Eugene, Oregon. So it's gonna be a long drive, almost 8-hour drive from here papuntang Eugene, Oregon. So I'll just stay overnight na naman kami sa Eugene, Oregon mamaya. From there sa Joint Base Lewis McChord na, mag-unload na kami doon. 4 hours na lang, so ginawa namin 8 hours to para pagdating sa Eugene 4 hours na lang, mabilis na lang kami dumating sa Washington kasi marami pang gagawin doon pag nag-arrive doon. Mag-check-in sa billeting, tapos mag-unload ng mga gamit sa storage, kaya mas longer drive to from Sacramento to Eugene. Okay, update ko na lang kayo. Hindi maaga ngayon. Huwag na tayo leave early kasi nga mahaba yung travel namin. Update ko na lang kayo pag nasa truck stop na kami, o kaya rest stop. Alright. Update guys, this is our day 5, December 5, 2005. Nandito kami sa Eureka, Oregon. So, this was our second to the last leg. Grabe, ang ganda ng mga view. Kaya lang hindi ako mapicturean kasi siyempre ito lang phone ng dala-dala ko. Tapos wala akong video camera. Nagamit ko for navigation. Turn back now. Ganda. So nagpapagas kami. And then after namin magpagas dito, next stop, I guess one more gas bago kami makarating ng Eugene, Oregon. Update ko na lang kayo pag naka-check-in na kami sa sa Eugene. That's our last stop before home stretch bound. Grabe yung buhok ko. Pero okay lang, pogi pa rin. Okay. Update ko na lang kayo pagdating namin sa Eugene. Alright. Good evening guys. Update. Oh my god. That is a, I don't know, good, bad, long, everything. Nandito na kami sa Eugene, Oregon. Dito kami mag-check-in sa Kendall Suite by Marriott. Oh man. So from Sacramento all the way to Eugene. Anong oras na yan? 7 o'clock, 6:30. We left the house at 8 a.m. So a couple of stops. Si Arlo gustong umihi. Si Carlos tsaka si Ashley, they went to go get pizza food for tonight and Arlo's food and probably Andrew's milk. So buti na lang may na-parking dito. Grabe, ang sikip ng parkingan. So bukas sana makalabas ako dito. So we're almost done. One more leg to Tacoma, Washington from here. So tomorrow morning we're gonna leave early. Alis kami dito ng mga siguro hopefully before 8. Try to leave earlier if possible. Another 4-hour drive to actually sa storage area. It's in Puyallup. So another 4-hour drive. So hopefully we'll there by lunchtime or early afternoon. Unload yan. Lagay sa storage yung mga gamit, unload yung car, and then soli na yung trailer and the truck. So it's been a long journey guys. Sayang hindi ako makakuha ng video kasi magdadrive ako, but the scenery, oh my god, so nice, so beautiful. Driving through the mountains though, woo boy, that is crazy. Going uphill, going downhill, sharp turn. Oh my god, scary and fun, pero kailangan talaga nagdadasal pag nagdadrive. So safe tayo sa road. I don't know what else to tell you. Thanks for watching, if you're watching. So give you guys update tomorrow morning before we head out to Tacoma, Washington. Alright, good night, peace. Good morning guys, update na dito kami sa check out lang. This is our last leg going to Joint Base Lewis McChord 4-hour drive. Pero magpapagas muna kami, hour from here. And then I'm gonna go straight to the storage. Yep. So thank you for following till today. Pasensya na walang mga pictures. So December 6, Saturday. This is our 6th day of traveling. Last day. Expected arrival sa Joint Base Lewis McChord is 12 to 1 o'clock noon. Or 12 noon to 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay? Siguro update ko na lang kayo pagdating namin sa storage unit. Okay? See you later. Guys, update. Nandito ako sa rest stop. Another hour drive to our final destination. Ito yung truck na compared to the big truck, the real truck. Halos magkasing haba siya. Pero of course, mas malaki yung semi-truck. Update guys, finally we made it. Dito na kami sa storage unit kung saan namin i-offload itong truck. Thank you Lord. Whew, safe drive all the way from Del Rio, Texas, all the way over here to South Hill, Puyallup, Washington. So just to recap, anong araw na ngayon? Saturday, December 6, 2025. We started our journey, our travel on December 1, Monday, from Del Rio, Texas. Then we drove up to El Paso, Texas. From there to Phoenix. Oh, so each location we made a overnight stay. So El Paso, so Phoenix, from Phoenix to Santa Clarita, right outside of Los Angeles. Stay overnight there. And then from there to Sacramento, stay overnight in Sacramento. Oh shit. I think I need to come down here. Kasi laki ng kampo. And then from Sacramento to Eugene, Oregon. Oh my boy, the road going through the mountains from Northern California to Southern Oregon. Oh my God, the view was amazing, but the drive itself very stressful. So because of the rain, the mountain, the steep incline, downhill, all that stuff. Ang hirap. So but we made it. So from Eugene, Oregon, nandito na kami sa Washington State. Okay.
What are you doing here?
What's up?
Surprise us.
What's up, bro? What's up, nigga? Yo, man, why you wearing the Raiders?
I know.
I'm a Raiders fan.
Damn, bro. Vlog. Look who I found here. AJ Armani Keys.
Yo.
And Jordan Vincent Halili. Trader. Alright guys, that's it. Alright guys, we are done. Done and done. Empty. Full.
Talk to anyone in there?
Good job.
It was in there. It was dark, and it was like there's just like random stuff around.
Good job, Ashley. Way to go. The bike, the wood. That's it. Okay, I think this is the final update to you guys. See you at the next vlog.
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe, with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named, while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your one.